Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to install xposed store for lollipop. First, I'm going to show you my Android version. Then, as you see, it's lollipop 5.1. It's lollipop. Now, I'm going to open xposed installer. As you see, it's activated and probably installed. Now I'm going to download it. You will find the link under this video in the description. You will be able to download it from the site. It's easy, simple, and no much ads. I mean, no ads at all. Now type these words so the site will make sure that you are not a robot. Done. Now I'm not going to download it again because I had just already downloaded. After you install it, open it and go to install and update. Based on it, and the program will download the version for your Android phone and your